What's up, guys? Hope you guys are doing well today. So today we are the first month of January, and unfortunately we took an L. Honestly, it was going in my direction. I was at a 1-to-1, but ended up hitting my stop loss. So I'll show you guys that trade, and good thing that we are on Tradeify, because if I was on Take Profit, I would have been cooked. But it's whatever. One trade a day, and it is what it is. That was the trade that I took right there. So we swept this draw, then we displaced lower. We are in the time that I can take a trade. We got our 1 minute fair value gap set up, entered the trade. Only problem is, now technically I always put my stop loss right there, but for this instance, it ran about here and then went all the way down. So that was my trade here. This is, what's it called? The loss, so 550. And yeah. So let me show you guys. Although it sucks because I was pretty much at a 1-to-1. I mean, I was up probably 600, but at least it's end of the day drawdown, so it's whatever. I'm still happy that I passed this week. Now I'll just have to, hopefully by next week, have the buffer and at least one payout, but we'll see. Okay, let me just adjust this real quick. All right. All right, coming into market, what can I see? You can see we have these draws right there. We have this high right there. We have this high right there. 915. Okay. We have this low, and we have this. Why this? So this is London low right there. This is just sell side, sell side, sell side right there. Here we have London high, and here we have just a high, and here we have buy side, same thing. Okay, let's fast forward. Okay, so 9:30, we go exactly to this high. So we swept this high and then went down. Now let's remove this one. And let's just fast forward. Okay, now right there, even though it didn't fully swept it, still it counts as a sweep, because why? If we look, the displacement to the upside is very strong, right? All right, so 43. So as of right now, I'm looking for longs, but price didn't end up retracing to this gap, so I'm still waiting. All right. Okay, right there, what's happening? Okay, let's go back, see what's gonna happen, what's happening. So we swept this high. We have this high right there. We have more highs. Okay, I'm good here. So let's go back. We can remove this one here. So 950, price ended up sweeping this high that I marked. Let's see what's gonna happen next. Perfect. We displaced lower, showing our 1 minute fair value gap setup. As soon as price taps into it, I'll take it. I had around 80 points for 160. Not points, ticks. As you guys seen in the picture, I entered right away. 954 was in profit. Like, this is a 1.25, like I told you guys. But then, let me just put it back. Then 10:01, I got stopped out to the tick, I guess, whatever, and price ended up going in my direction, right? Now that I see that, it does actually sucks that I got stopped out exactly like by a wick in a sense, but that was the setup. It is what it is, right? Then honestly, I could have taken another trade maybe right there, seeing that we are still respecting everything and the context is making sense. 10.06, as soon as it closes, I could have taken this, but I just didn't. I respected my rule, 1 trade a day, and just that was the trade, right? Then we end up just selling off all the way down, which it sucks, but it is what it is. So as I can see, we went all the way down to this low right there. Nice. But yeah, it does sucks. Is there anything I could have done better? Well, as you guys know, Friday, if you guys check the video, the reason I got break even, because I didn't actually lose money, I just got break even, was because I went break even, right? So same thing here. I was like, all right, the whole context makes sense that we're gonna go lower, right? So I'm not gonna go break even because there's no reason to go break even, right? Price didn't show me anything to go break even. So same thing as the other day, but I ended up getting stopped out. Yeah, I mean that was the trade recap. Let's see, how much are we at? Yeah, so I still have 1.5k drawdown because in total we have 2, right? So yeah, Monday we'll get that loss back and we'll start making some profit, getting the buffer, and then requesting some payouts. We have some good news here. So yeah, next week should be a nice week. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys Monday.